Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can simply make this type of posters from to this, or your own picture from this to this. So you simply have to follow on the screen, and you can see I am opening the browser. You have to type there Imagine AI. As you will type the Imagine AI, you have to click on the first link and the page will open itself. Now the page will look like something this. You simply follow the screen instructions so that I can guide you properly on how to use it, and it will make you mostly half and 6 minutes. As you can see, I have clicked on the poster. You can see like you have to use in prompt. As you can click on the prompt, it will give you another page and it will allow you to see a full prompt. You simply just have to press Ctrl A and you have to select all the prompt on the screen, and simply you have to just copy those prompts, and then you have to just open chat gpt. You have to first add your picture depending upon your need how you want to create it. So I have selected one of the picture on screen. As you can see, I've selected. Okay, I will select let me select one of these. Okay, I will select this picture and I will click open, and it will add to the chat gpt menu. And simply I have to just control plus V so that it will paste on the prompt and it will start creating the image. You simply have to wait around 1 to half a minute so it will generate. As you can see, I have created the picture without any difficulty. Simply I can take another picture as well. As you can see, I'm on the mgen ai using a prompt searching for the best poster which we can. Okay, so here's the lemonade one. I will just simply copy all the prompt and then I will go chat gpt and I will paste another photo or image that I want to create in the lemonade poster. So I will select one of the, like I have selected Captain America image, and I will just select it, and I have to just go back to the chat gpt. As soon as it's open, I have to just control plus V again to paste the lemonade copy prompt, and simply I have to click on the enter button to generate the image. As soon as it will be generated, you can see on the screen a special plaster lemonade Captain America poster is ready within a minute. It's so simple, you can use it all the time, and it's very simple, free, and within no time you can just generate many of them. And if you like this video, do share, and if you have comment any problem, I will here to help you. Thank you so much. Peace out.